Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss material takeoff in Revit. Material takeoff schedule provides details such as material type, quantity and cost for the model. To create a material takeoff schedule, first we go to Create panel in View tab. And select Material Takeoff option from Schedule drop-down menu. In the new Material Takeoff dialog, click a category for the Material Takeoff schedule and click OK. In the Material Takeoff property dialog, for a available field, select the material attributes and click OK to create the material takeoff schedule. Optionally, you can sort and group or format this schedule. The material takeoff is now listed in the project browser under Schedule or Quantities. Next, we discuss Schedule or quantities in Revit. A schedule is a tabular display of information extracted from the properties of the elements in a project. You can create a schedule at any point in the design process. As you make changes to the model, that are automatically updated and reflect in the schedule sheet. You can add your schedule to a drawing sheet. Here, we demonstrate a door schedule. First, we go to Create panel in the View tab. And select Schedule or Quantities from the Schedule drop-down menu. In the New Schedule dialog, click a category for the schedule. And click OK. In the Schedule Property dialog, for available field and select the properties you want. And click OK. Now the schedule is displayed and listed in the project browser under Schedule or Quantities. Optionally, you can sort and group or format this schedule like this. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.